Imagine a battlefield where no human sets foot. No soldiers, no commands yelled across trenches. Just autonomous drones flying silently, tanks rolling by themselves, and machines deciding who lives or dies in milliseconds. Welcome to the terrifying future of AI in warfare. AI isn't just changing our jobs, our schools, or our healthcare. It's redefining war itself. And the scariest part? This isn't a sci-fi movie. It's already happening. 1. The rise of autonomous weapons. Military AI has evolved far beyond surveillance. Today, it can identify, track, and kill without a single human in the loop. Take loitering munitions, also known as suicide drones. These drones hover over battle zones, detect threats, and then dive to destroy them, without any human command. One such drone, the STM Cargo 2, was reportedly used autonomously in Libya in 2020. Source: UN report. Let that sink in. A robot may have made a kill decision on its own. The AI arms race has already begun. The US, China, Russia, and others are racing to build AI-powered military systems. From self-flying jets to autonomous submarines, the battlefield is being programmed. In 2023, the Pentagon tested an AI-enabled F-16 fighter jet in dogfights against human pilots, and the AI won repeatedly. Source: DARPA. This isn't about national security anymore. It's about who controls the most intelligent weapons. 3. Ethics in the crosshairs. When humans make decisions in war, there's room for morality, at least in theory. But what happens when AI makes those choices? An AI can't feel guilt. It doesn't understand civilian casualties. And in warfare, those milliseconds of empathy can make a life-or-death difference. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres called for a global ban on fully autonomous weapons, warning they're politically unacceptable and morally repugnant. Source: UN 4. AI can be hacked. One terrifying vulnerability in military. AI, it can be hacked. What happens when an enemy takes control of an autonomous drone swarm, or feeds it false data to launch attacks? AI may be powerful, but it's only as secure as the code behind it. And cyber warfare is already one of the biggest global threats today. 5. Accountability disappears. When an AI kills, who do you blame? The general who deployed it? The coder who built it? The country that sold it? This accountability gap is one of the most serious ethical problems with military AI. Without clear responsibility, war crimes could go unpunished. 6. The human cost is still real. Even if no soldiers die, wars still kill. Autonomous systems can strike hospitals, schools, and cities, especially if the AI misidentifies a target. And with fewer boots on the ground, nations may be more likely to engage in conflict, because it won't cost them their own lives. But for civilians, the danger becomes even more invisible and more unstoppable. 7. The future isn't written. Yet here's the hopeful part. AI in warfare isn't unstoppable. We can demand regulation. We can draw ethical lines. The European Parliament, the UN, and peace organizations worldwide are calling for a legal framework to limit autonomous weapons. The question is, will we act before it's too late? If this gave you chills, it should. Hit that like button if you believe humanity should stay in control. Drop a comment. Should AI ever decide who lives or dies in war? And subscribe to stay informed as we uncover the real, raw truth about AI's impact on our lives.